This 2015 Forest River Berkshire 3.8 RB is a Class A RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2015 Forest River Berkshire 3.8 RB is built on a Freightliner XC chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.